Welcome back to another video, everybody. As you can tell from the title, today I am making a nice DIY cheap welding table. This table will do two things. Number one, it will house my new TIG welder, so it doubles as a welding cart. And then number two, I will be able to weld on it. So when I want to, weld brackets together, weld exhausts, I can put it on this table and I can weld while I'm sitting down, nice and comfy. Believe it or not, it is very important when welding to be comfortable, to be in a good position. So this welding table should help some of my welds. Now, as you saw, I was doing quite a bit of cutting with all this metal that we got from metal supermarkets. What I've so far made is the base, and then we've got some more metal to make another base, and then some vertical posts, and then we'll weld it all together. This is by no means going to be a super nice welding table. It's just going to be a table and a welding cart. No fancy like trays or drawers or any of that. Just a table with a welder on it. But it only actually turned out being 200 bucks for all the metal. So pretty good price for a big welding table. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back to work. I'm going to be doing some more cutting, getting everything cut and ready, and then I'll start welding. Actually, you know what? I'm kind of tired of cutting. So let's weld up the first base. Make a plate for the welder to sit on down there. table is done. The welder is mounted, the gas canister is mounted. That little bar right there can unbolt so you can slide it out. I'm going to put some foam on the back of each of these bars so when it tightens down it really squeezes things so it can't move around a little bit. Now what I want to do is hook everything up and then make like a little hook for the torch and a little grounding thing that's connected to the table and some other things. Everything in the welder is plugged in, gas, torch, pedal, ground. The ground is just running straight to the table. That's the awesome thing about this table is that when I'm welding, I don't have to put the ground cable on the thing I'm welding. Right now I want to make a little hook to put the torch on and a little hook to put my helmet on. So the cart / welding table is pretty much done. My shop is so freaking dirty right now that I don't really have anywhere to put it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start practicing with this thing. We got the gas, I have the torch. I need to sharpen the tungsten and then I will start practicing. That might have worked. I don't know, it just feels weird. It doesn't feel like it's doing much. Like I'm used to pushing it and instantly getting super hot and sparks going everywhere. It's so calm and just... I was kind of getting the hang of, well, no, I was not getting the hang of it at all. But I don't really know exactly what I'm doing wrong. I don't know which settings need to be adjusted. My friend who knows how to TIG weld is coming over in a couple of days to help me figure it out. Once I figure it out, then I can start practicing and I can get good. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm really dirty, but that's okay. I only have 30 seconds left on the SD card, so I have to talk really fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. We will eventually paint it, but I'm only gonna paint it once I know that the table is how I want it to be, because I might want to add some stuff. The welder is cool, although I don't know how to use it. And that's it. Yeah, the headlights I got from Molly were the wrong ones, so we're waiting for that. I think we'll probably start painting the Rally Miata in the next video. And maybe the truck will